Hi, I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. I'm here in Acacia Vendors Association. We would like to share to you Jojo Panagiton. Every lunchtime, 10 o'clock, he is already here in the Acacia Vendors Association area for affordable ulam bayan. How much is this?
10, 15.
10 and 15. So
15 lang.
15. Affordable for students and teachers. Describe your ulam, your bayan. What's this? Munggo with langka. With pork. Okay, 15. And dinuguan, how much? 15. Okay. Para makalibre ako i-vlog natin. And tinulang manok broiler. 15 pesos with kapayas. What's this? Ochero baka. 15 pesos. 15 pesos. So, always here in Acacia 3, 10 o'clock, the ulam, the bayan, affordable is already available. You're done with, I have already vlogged you. Okay, so we have here. What are you waiting for? Invite our viewers.
Yes.
Oh, Jojo Panagiton.
You are invited
To come
here in Acacia Vendors Association. Buy bayan.
Buy takoyaki,
mangga,
hot cake, juice, ice candy, and everything to it. Okay, so that's it.
Thank you everybody.
Yeah, and invite my viewers to subscribe to Mabuhay channel.
Yes.
Subscribe
all the viewers.
YouTube Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay channel.
Of Erlinda Rindon. Yeah, and follow me on Facebook, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, to Facebook account and one page, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. So live and alive. Thank you for viewing my channel, Acacia Vendors Association. Come now, let us support them. Okay, I'm already done. I already interviewed you. Na-interview na kita, no? Ay, done na. So, this is it. Okay, they have their palamig juice. And of course, the another, again, ano yan? Shumai. Okay, so this. Thank you, Thank you, sir. Anong ganyan? What did you give me? Milon? Milon na kalibre ako. Oh, Jojo, only one of your co-workers give me free. Sige. So, I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Ma'am Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, retiring soon, and will be a full-time vlogger. What are you waiting for? Come and subscribe to Mabuhay YouTube channel. Follow me with all my two Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Until my next vlog, mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Good morning and mabuhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Mabuhay, good person, good life. Until next vlog, thank you for viewing. Signing off, mabuhay and good morning.